to our channel. So today we're going to be doing a challenge. So our challenge is Fidget Toys versus Real. So this is how you play it. First we need to, on the first round we need to rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and then whoever wins will get to choose on the first round, switch or stay. In each box there's gonna be a fidget toy and the other one will have a real one. So let's start! First round. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, Kaya wins. So she's going to be picking switch or stay. Okay. So here's the first round. Kaya will pick switch or wait. Switch or stay. Stay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Open it. And this. I think you did this. Oh no! I got a real one. I got a real one. Yeah, you got the fidget. So Kaya gets the point. Round 2. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Kaya. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Who win? I win. Okay. Let's go. Bobby. Yay! I would like to. Wait. No. I would like to switch. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's open it. Okay, Bobby. I still got the real one. I got the real one. Here, Kaya got the puppet. So she got 2 points. I got a real one. Okay, so I'm here. Okay. Now let's say round 3. Okay. Wait. Round 3. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, she wins. She used scissors. Okay. Here, switch or stay? Switch. Okay. 3, 2, 1. No! I don't get the point. I got 3 points now. No. Luka. Okay, Kaya. Round 4. Okay, rock, paper, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won. Yeah, I won. Okay, let's see. My turn to pick. I would rather stay. Switch. 3, 2, 1, go. Why? What's that? It's bread. I got the poppet. Your bread. I got a rainbow poppet. So fun to play. Finally, now she got 3 points and I got 1 point. On to the next round. Round 5. High five. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. Let's see. Next round. I think I would switch. Yeah, switch. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Open it. Yay! I need to find this. Yeah. Can I taste that? here. On to the next round. Round 6. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah, I win? Yeah, okay. Switch. Right, don't switch. No, I don't want to switch. Switch. Let's open it. Switch. 3, 2, 1. I got peanuts. Yeah. Peanuts. On to the next round. Round 7. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. I mean, I always win. Me. Come on. I win. No. Wait. Kaya, don't touch this. I think I won. Stay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah! I got this. I got a yellow one, but it's okay. Show them. I got this. Yeah, simple dimple. Wow! On to the next round. Okay. Let's round 8. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! She win. This time she win. Wait, don't touch it. What do I switch or stay? Switch. Okay, switch it. Okay, this inside and puppy. Let's open it. Go. Yes! What did you get? I got this dog cup. She got nothing! But she wants the bread.
Who's Boomy?
This is them.
Who's Boomy? You got Boomy.
Yeah, I got Boomy. Or you want to hold this? Let's go. Okay. Mommy, please come here. Okay. Mom, come here. You smell food? I got this. This mommy is so cute. I like mommies. Mommy! Okay guys, that's all for this video. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye! Please comment down below what challenge or what video you want us to make on the next video. Bye! Don't forget to comment down